Okay, today I'm gonna show you my sip system that I tried out on beets for the very first time. This is a sip system with a sand wicking on the bottom, and I decided to grow beets the first time. I'm very happy with how the beets came out. Their leaves are beautiful, the color is amazing. I didn't have to water it that much. I have a gopher problem here, so having a sip really worked well. And also I am in a community garden, so right now we haven't had any water for 2 years. So this is amazing, and I'm going to show you what the beet looks like as I pull it out. Okay, so here we go. We're taking off the little thing that's keeping the plastic over the sip to prevent evaporation. That this looks like it's about ready because the shoulders of the beet are starting to show and the leaves are looking kind of older. So that beet looks pretty amazing. I wanted to see how I could do this with one hand. I guess we're just gonna pull it out and see what happens. Oh, sorry about that. So wow, that looks pretty cool. The beet is a nice size, and it's got some nice head of leaves on it. Very happy with how the sip system came out. Wow, that's cool. My first beet. There it is.